No matter if it's 4 or 5 axis, you understand the benefits of simultaneous machining, like shorter, more rigid tooling for increased surface finish quality, the reduction of setups for accuracy, and increased productivity. You want this to be part of your manufacturing process, but getting started feels daunting, and it can all appear overly complex. To help with this, Autodesk Fusion 360 includes full 5-axis toolpaths alongside its easy-to-use 2- and 3-axis milling capabilities, maintaining consistency across the entire CAM programming process. Quickly convert 3-axis toolpaths to full 5-axis, with a change from within the Multi-Axis tab, allowing you to take advantage of all the benefits of simultaneous machining. Control the tool axis, the most crucial step of this type of CAM programming, with simplified and intuitive methods of orientation. Apply a lean or lead angle automatically to tip the tool axis off its center point, removing the center cutting condition which can degrade surface finish. Further adjustments can be made by applying both angles at the same time to create a compound tool axis. When greater control is desired, create and use point or line geometry to aid in directing the tool axis in a fashion suitable for the area being machined. Utilize dedicated multi-axis strategies like swarf and rotary, which automatically define the tool axis, removing the need for manual tool axis definitions. Minimize the concern of interference issues with automatic collision avoidance to increase programming confidence, because as the toolpath is calculated, it is also checked for safety. If a potential collision is detected during calculation, a new safe tool axis is automatically applied to that region. Use robust CAD tools in the design space for tasks such as adding work holding or fixturing to increase setup accuracy for multi-axis operations, and to create additional geometry to aid in the CAM programming process when needed. And verify your toolpaths with machine and stock simulation, including the tool, holder assembly, and work holding, to check for collisions before you output the NC code and head to the machine. When it comes to 4- and 5-axis simultaneous part programming, Fusion 360 shortens the path to success, streamlines your processes, and decreases machine setup time, letting you produce high-quality parts. Make the new possible with all this and more in Autodesk Fusion 360.